So we'll see the lux level chart and say here 0. So that means these areas we should not take into calculation actually. So for that we need to figure it out something else, right? Right. So what shall we do for this area? What shall we do, guys? So one we have got, and maybe I'll try to increase slightly on the height aspect. Okay, then we'll take a decision. So we'll cancel this part, discard all resistance. Okay. So what we will do, we'll make the light, all the lights, I'll put 15. I'll put 15. I'll go slowly. Maybe 20 may be sufficient because we'll go one by one case. Okay. So here also I'll 50. I'll do that. Okay. So see, it will be going like that. But the height needs to be increased, guys. I will increase it. Okay. Now you see that what we need is 30, see, predominantly, 50, but most of the areas what we were getting is 30 lux. That means 30 lux we are almost covering it up, but 50 is here somewhere. So that means maybe 30 lux is all over, it is there. So what shall we do? This time we'll little bit tricky, we'll try to understand. Okay.